Hey guys, it's Olga. Today I'm going to share with you 4 easy and incredibly delicious vegan desserts. You guys know that maple syrup is my go-to sweetener when it comes to baking and making healthy vegan treats. So I'm super excited to be partnering with Maple from Canada once again to bring you these yummy recipes. A lot of people think of maple syrup as something that you pour over your pancakes or waffles, but it can actually be used in so many different ways. Last year I made a video showing you how you can use maple syrup for savory dishes and snacks, and today we're going to focus on desserts. Let's get started. First, we're going to make my lemon berry bundt cake, sweetened with maple syrup. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly oil a bundt cake pan with coconut oil. In a large bowl, sift together 2.5 cups of oat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well to combine. In a small saucepan, combine about 1/3 cup of coconut oil with 1¼ cup of almond milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, zest of 2 lemons, and 1 cup of maple syrup. When choosing maple syrup, I always go for 100% pure maple syrup that comes from Canada. I absolutely love the taste and the quality of it. If you've never tried maple syrup before, it has this rich, nutty, and caramelly flavor that can take any recipe to another level. Pure maple syrup is also a better alternative to other liquid sweeteners since it's boiled down directly from the maple tree sap without being processed, so it contains no artificial colors or flavors. Maple syrup also has potential health benefits. Scientists have identified more than 67 beneficial plant compounds called polyphenols in maple syrup. Plus, it is a source of vitamins and minerals, including manganese, which may help support healthy muscles. Always check the label on the bottle when grocery shopping to make sure that you're getting 100% pure maple from Canada. And if you want to learn more about it, click the link in the description that will take you to their website. Now back to the recipe. Heat the mixture over medium heat and whisk from time to time until everything is melted and well incorporated. Add the wet ingredients to the dry and whisk to combine. Finally, pour the batter into your cake pan and bake for about an hour or until a toothpick comes out clean. Take the cake out of the oven and let cool completely in the pan. I love the golden brown color of this cake, it's absolutely beautiful. While you're waiting for the cake to cool, you can prepare a simple lemon glaze by combining 1 cup of organic powdered sugar with 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Personally, I find the cake already sweet enough, so I usually get a slice without any glaze on it, but the rest of my family likes it a lot. Once the cake has cooled down, place it on a large plate and start adding the berries. You can do any berry combination. I usually put some strawberries in the middle and then add blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries on top and all around the cake. Finally, drizzle the glaze on top. This is a really simple cake, but it tastes really yummy and refreshing because of the lemon flavor and the berries. It's made with wholesome, nutritious ingredients, so you do not have to feel guilty if you go for a second slice. Next, we're going to make a maple walnut smoothie bowl that makes a perfect healthy treat. In a blender, combine 1/2 cup of almond milk, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 2 frozen bananas, 2 fresh bananas, 1/4 cup of walnuts, some vanilla, and cinnamon. Blend until smooth. Pour into a bowl and add your favorite toppings. I'm adding some chopped walnuts, fresh strawberries, kiwi, raspberries, and blackberries, and shredded coconut. I love making smoothie bowls for breakfast or as a treat or a snack. It's easy and super delicious. By the way, you can easily turn this smoothie bowl into a banana ice cream. Just use the frozen bananas instead of the fresh ones and eliminate the almond milk. The next treat we're going to make are these beautiful chocolate almond butter squares. In a small saucepan, combine 3/4 cup of almond butter, 3/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Heat over medium heat until everything is melted. As always, the exact measurements and directions for today's recipes will be on my website at fablunch.com. You can find the direct link in the description. Add 4 cups of puffed quinoa to a large bowl and pour in the liquid mixture. Stir well to combine. Line the pan with parchment paper and transfer all of the mixture into it. Spread with a spoon or a spatula to make it even and press it down. Place the pan in the fridge while you prepare the chocolate layer. In a bowl, add half a cup of melted coconut oil, half a cup of cacao or cocoa powder, and a quarter of a cup of maple syrup. Whisk to combine. Pour the chocolate over the quinoa layer, spreading it around. Let set in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. When you're ready to serve, simply cut into squares and enjoy. This dessert is a huge hit with adults and kids in my family, so I definitely recommend that you give it a try. Finally, we're making coconut cinnamon energy bites. Start by placing 1 cup of almonds in a food processor. Process until ground. Add a third of a cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut, cinnamon, a bit of coconut oil, and a pinch of salt. Process until all of the ingredients are well combined. Chill the mixture in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Then form 10 to 12 balls using your hands. Roll the balls in some shredded coconut to coat, and you're done. Another healthy, yummy treat that is really easy to make. I love having these energy bites with a cup of tea. By the way, did you know that you can actually sweeten your tea or coffee with maple syrup? Just add a little bit on a spoon, mix it into your drink, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy vegan recipes. Thank you so much to Maple from Canada for sponsoring today's video. If you want to learn more about pure maple syrup that comes from Canada, check out their website. The link for it is in the description. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I will see you in my next video. Bye.